Can you hear that? That's the sound of some very noisy fans in my PC. Now that I'm doing some video recording, I think it's time to get this thing sorted. So fortunately, I've just ordered some new fans. Let's take a look. So what we have here are some Be Quiet Silent Wings 3 fans. Now, I did a bit of research online and it looks as though these are some pretty good or pretty quiet fans. Just looking at a few YouTube videos has shown me how quiet they can be. So I'm going to install these in my PC. We've got 4 120mm fans and one 140. Let's go and see what we're replacing. So let's get this case off and look inside. Now, the fans that we're replacing are this one at the back here. We've got 2 in this Noctua heatsink. There's a fan at the top, that's the 140, and then at the front, in front of the hard drives, behind there, there's another 120. So let's turn the PC off. And take out some of these cables here. Take out the power supply. So let's get some of these cables out. And let's get this thing on the desk. I'm going to speed up the film here so you don't have to watch me take ages replacing these fans. Okay, well, it looks like we're finally done. So we've got the new Be Quiet fans installed at the back on the Noctua and at the front, and we've got one at the top as well. So let's pack up the PC, put all the cases back together, and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so here's where we see what the fans sound like for the first time. Let's try turning it on. So I think that's sounding quite a bit quieter. There's definitely not as much noise as there was before. Let's pop the side on just to see what difference that makes. So I'm just going to stop for a second because I'm just going through editing this now, and I think you can tell that I'm getting a bit worried. It's probably not sounding as quiet as perhaps I hoped it would. And I'm getting the feeling that it might be £89 down the drain. But hold on, it gets better after I find a fix to make the machine a lot quieter. Okay, so I've just set the fan speeds in the BIOS to automatic and silent mode. And now you can just hear that there's next to no noise from it now. The hard drive is louder than the fans now. So much better than the noise before. Really, really cool. So as you can see, the PC is now back up and running and there is hardly any background noise whatsoever. Really pleased with the results. We've installed the Be Quiet Silent Wings 3 and they're definitely worth it. They're around £20 each. I'll include a link in the description to these on Amazon. Thanks very much for watching. I'll include a link at the end of this video on how you can reduce background noise in your video should you not have the option to replace your fans, or you've got another environmental noise that is causing you issues. Very simple process. I look forward to seeing you next time.